Foundation.
Commitment.
Will.
Motivation.
So when I first heard C2G, I just thought it was another high school saying that we had like grit or kayak class.
I first saw C2G as something mandatory, like why wouldn't a student graduate high school? And then as I started to get further and further into high school, I realized it's a lot more difficult than people think.
When you get older through more of the upperclassmen years, it gets harder and harder, and you keep going and you start struggling, but then you realize that you only have a little bit more to go to the rest of your life, wherever that may hold.
You know, students have a lot that they do to get to that point and walk across that stage. We do a lot that have a lot that we do to support them in that journey, and so it's just kind of our collective goal as a school to get everybody to that point so that they're successful in high school and can you know, kind of do whatever they want after that.
And in order to succeed in school, you have to study. And in order to graduate, you have to study. You have to follow through your classes. You have to be successful.
Because it takes a lot of commitment to, you know, manage your time and to manage your way through high school. Our motivation is a huge part of C2G since it's that strive to graduate in the 4 years.
It's a step for the development of a career, development of your future, development who you want to be in the future. Never can be done until you graduate.
And C2G is the very basics of where you need to be to move up in life. You need to have at least a high school diploma to move into college, and from there you move on to whatever career you want to take, and from there you can continue to go up and up in the world. And C2G is just the very foundation of where things need to go.
Commitment. I mean, that's the most important part, and so that's what it's all about. Even though that's part of the C2G, that's part of it. That's probably the most important part, that we're all in together.
So you can do the things that you want to do in life. Make a promise to yourself.
It means the very first building block to your future.